Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now. Unlock your iPhone and connect it to the Mac with a Lightning cable, or ensure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and have Bluetooth on. When the Mac prompts, tap Trust on the iPhone, because without trust the Mac cannot access photos. If you use iCloud Photos, make sure it's enabled on both devices so images sync automatically. Otherwise, prepare to import directly through Photos or Finder for full-resolution files. Once connected, open the Mac Photos app and select the Import tab. Choose specific images and click Import Selected, or use Import All to grab everything. If you prefer file-level control, open Finder, select your iPhone under Locations, and use the Photos or Files sync options to move albums. For occasional single images, AirDrop is faster. Enable AirDrop on both devices and accept on the Mac. Image capture is a good fallback. After import, verify your images in Photos library or in the Finder folder you chose. Make sure live photos and videos play correctly. If you rely on iCloud Photos, check the iPhone settings photos for uploading or sync status and allow time for large libraries to finish. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, update iOS and Mac OS to the latest versions. Reconnect the cable and tap Trust again. This simple sequence resolves most detection and transfer errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.